I am Andrea Rivas, and I will be presenting to you on how textiles affect our environment. Today, I'll be presenting on 3 issues concerning textile waste and 5 resolutions to solve these problems. The first issue that I'll be discussing is landfills. You might be asking yourself, why is that landfills an issue if landfills have been decreasing among the years? Well, this is true, but the capacity has been increasing by 44 million cubic feet in the past 15 years. And of the 390 million tons of trash that we had last year, 8 of those tons were textile waste. And if any of those textiles were made out of man-made fibers, they will not decompose in the landfill, staying there for hundreds of years. Our second issue is inefficiency. The average lifetime of a garment is approximately 3 years, and fast fashions and cheap clothing have encouraged this throwaway mentality. If consumers bought textile products in mind keeping them for a longer period of time, they could be saving energy, water, raw materials, chemicals, and pollution in the manufacturing process. Our last issue is water and air pollution. The most pollutant stage of the textile life is with the water, energy, and detergents used to wash and dry the fabrics. Many manufacturing plants drain dyes into local sources of water, hurting ecosystems. The largest contributor to environmental problems in the textile industry is dyeing and finishing. This process also uses 85% of all of the water used in textile manufacturing. And going back to landfills, wool releases methane while decomposing, which contributes large amounts of global warming. Our first resolution to these key issues we discussed is recycling. Half of all textile waste can be recycled and isn't. Recycling the waste reduces landfills and the pollution in the air and water. Recycling also creates jobs and improves third world nations such as Africa that depend on secondhand clothing markets because 75% of the world wears recycled textiles. Another resolution is organic farming. There was a 9% increase from 2007 to 2008 in total acres planted in organic cotton. The United States represents 2.1% of the total global organic cotton grown, which is about 2,835 pounds in 2008. Our third resolution is sustainable manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing has been developing throughout the world. In India and Denmark, researchers found a way to use foam instead of to use enzymes instead of dyes to scour cotton fibers. This technique cuts energy, water, waste, and gives the fabric a better hand. In the United States, a company created a machine that applies finishes to cotton using foam rather than water. That saves water and energy. A company in Switzerland turns dyes into inks that does not waste fabric, ink, or dyes. Another resolution is educational courses. Courses are taught by government agencies and help consumers recycle the maximum amount of recyclable textiles. And our last resolution is to shop from green companies. Green companies strive to be environmentally friendly and conscious about the environment and use fibers such as organic cotton. Green companies are companies such as Gap Inc., Stella McCartney, and Burt's Bees, among others. And that concludes my presentation. These are the sources that I used. Thank you.